Hello students, so we are going to start exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4 linear equation in two variables. So it's a very interesting and easy exercise. Let's start. Question number 1 on your screen is which one of the following options is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has first, a unique solution. Second, only two solutions. And the third, infinitely many solutions. So let's start. What is the equation with us? Y equal to 3x plus 5. Let me note down the equation first. This already we are given. Y equal to 3x plus 5. Clear? This is the equation. In this given equation, this we are given. In this equation, y equal to 0 I am considering. If y equal to 0, suppose I am choosing y equal to 0, then here in place of y I am writing 0 equal to 3x plus 5. Then what will be the value of x? As we have solved the linear equation, so this 5 I am bringing to left side, so it is becoming minus 5. 3x equal to this plus 5 I am bringing to left side, so it is become minus 5. Only the direction is changed. There isn't any problem. While transposing we need to change the sign. So 3x equal to minus 5. So dear student, the value of x will be minus 5 by 3. This already we have studied in class 8 how to find the value of unknown variable with the one variable. Here we are having the value of x minus 5 by 3. So dear student, as we know, we can write the coordinates in x into x comma y form. Clear? We used to write the coordinate in x comma y form. What is x here? Which value we got for the x here? The value of x is minus 5 by 3. Okay. What is the value of y we have taken in the beginning? The value of y we have chosen as 0. So this is the one solution. So we can say that this is one solution. Therefore we can write minus 5 by 3 comma 0 is one solution. Clear to you? This is the one solution. Now we will work out on the another part now. Let's see how to do. So dear student, let's take now x equal to 0. First we have taken y equal to 0. Now we are choosing x equal to 0. If I take x equal to 0, then y equal to 3. As usual, you know, in place of x I need to put its a value. That is 0 I am putting here. So 0 multiplied by any number gives the result 0. So here it will be 0 plus 5. Therefore, y equal to 5. The value of y is 5 here. Clear to you? The value of y equal to 5. Clear to you? This is the value of y that is equal to 1. So my dear student, can I say that here what is x comma y? The coordinates we can write in x comma y form. What we have taken in place of x? That is 0. So I am writing 0. What is the value of y we got? That is 5. So can I say that 0 comma 5 is another solution? Is another solution. So dear student, for different value of x and y, we will have many solutions. Okay, let's try one more. एक और try करते हैं. Let's try one more and try to find it. So dear student, in the same question, we are choosing, as we have taken y equal to 0 in the beginning, then x equal to 0. Now I would like to take x equal to 1 here. Okay, suppose I am choosing 1. Then here in place of x in equation, this equation I am writing 1 here. What is 3 into 1? 3 1 ja 3. Plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Clear? So dear student, the coordinates of x comma y in that form we used to write. What is x we have assumed? That is 1. What is the value of y we got? That is 8. So can I say 1 comma 8? This is also a solution. This is also a solution. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Now let's come to the conclusion. After applying different value, we will have many solutions. So what is the conclusion? Let's see. So let's come to the conclusion point. Okay. What is the conclusion? We need to mention here the given linear equation. The given linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. It has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, which option is correct? Third option, right? You can see third option out of that is 1, 2, 3. Third option is the correct option. Third option is correct option. That is true. Third option is true. That is correct option. This is the complete solution of question number 1 of exercise 4.2. The question number 2 is on your screen. The question is write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Okay? We need to find 4 solutions for each equation. First equation is on your screen, that is 2x plus y equal to 7. Okay? Let's try to understand how to solve this. Okay? So dear student, here the equation which we are given is linear equation of two variables. Okay? In two variables. Reason behind that, you can find x and y both, means two variables. Clear? So, in such a case, what we have to do? So, they are in two variables x and y. So, dear student, we need to make a subject to any of them. There are two options. Either we can make a subject to x, if not then to y. Okay. So, in this linear equation, what we are going to do? Here, therefore sign 2x is here only. What I am going to do? I am making a subject to y. I want to make a subject to y. For that, I am keeping y here only this side, and 7 is already there. You can see this 2x I am shifting or transposing to right side. So it will give the result minus 2x. Simple. So according to the condition, we need to make a subject to any of them, either 2x, not 2, or 2y. So here for our convenience, I have taken y as a subject. So this 2x I am transposing to right side. So it will become minus 2x. So this will become our main equation with subject y. Now dear student, for different value of x, we will find the value of y. For that, what we have to do, as we are learning this first time, so look at your screen, y equal to 7 minus 2x. Clear? So you can see what I am going to do. In place of x, I will apply some value. Okay, I will apply some value, and then again 7 minus 2x. Second time I will take any other value. One more, that is in place of x, I will apply any of the value and I will get the answer for y. Now, One more I am choosing, that is this 7 minus 2 and this. Fine. So dear student, what is the meaning of putting this blank? The blank indicate that it depend on us which value of x. Here in place of x, we will apply some value. You can see on your screen. So here first, suppose I am choosing 0. If I choose 0, then of course I will have here 2 into 0, 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. Clear? Now second time in place of x I am choosing 1. Suppose I am choosing 1, then here it is 7. 2 1 cha 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the value of y, it will be 5. Next time I want to choose minus 1. Okay, in place of x I would like to go with minus 1 because I want to give you practice with negative numbers also. So that's why I am choosing minus 1. So as usual, you know dear student, minus minus plus while multiplying. 2 1 cha 2 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Now this time I would like to, let's note down
of linear equations are 2, 3, 0, 7, 1, 5 and minus 1, 9.
So exercise 4.2, it's a question number 2. It's the second part that is on your screen, dear student. 5x plus y equal to 9. Here it is pi x plus y equal to 9 we are given. Okay. So unknown two variables are x and y. Then the question will be in your mind, what about this pi? Consider this pi as an irrational number. Okay, it is actually coefficient of x, so it is irrational number. So in such a case, how to solve the sum? As I taught you, for the different value of y, we will find the value of x. Okay, so let's try to first let's make a subject. For the different value of x, we will have the value of y. That's why first I am making subject. So I am making subject to 1. Okay. So 9 is already here. What about this pi x? I am bringing to right side, so it will become minus pi x. This is very important thing. I am explaining you again. Look at your screen. Y equal to 9. This minus pi x. Okay. This side it is minus pi x. Clear to you? Now dear student, for different value of x. Suppose I am choosing here. Let's begin. Pi equal to 9 minus here. In the first step, I would like to write 0. Okay. Suppose I am choosing 0 in place of x. Then what will be the simplification? We know pi multiplied by 0 is 0. So the answer is only 9. Clear to you? Now we work out on the one more, that is y equal to 9 minus 5. This time I am going to take 1 in place of x. We are substituting the value of x. First I have taken 0. Now I am choosing 1. So dear student, if I choose 1, then 1 into pi. This will remain 9. 1 into pi, it gives only 5 pi. No more simplification. This much only. Let's move with the one more value of x. Now this time I want to go with the value of x, that is 2. Suppose I am choosing 2, then what will be the value of y? So y will be 9 minus 2 into pi is 2 pi. Here, so it is 9 minus 2 pi. One more value we are choosing for the x. This time I would like to choose any negative number. So for your better understanding, I am choosing minus 1 here. Okay. If I write minus 1, then of course you know here this will become plus, because minus minus plus. Pi into 1, that is pi. The same thing we have taken here also. You can see here I have taken 1. So here after multiplying I have here minus pi as a result. Here I have taken -1, but because of this minus, so it is becoming plus pi into 1 is pi. Fine. So for the different value of x, we are gaining the value of y, you can see. Now let's note down which value we have chosen.
Therefore, four solutions of the given equations are 0, 9, 1, 9 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 2 pi, and minus 1, 9 plus pi.
So my dear student, third question, it's the linear equation. We are given x equal to 4y. Here you can see x is already in a subject. So dear student, for the different value of y, we will get the value of x. So let's begin. X equal to 4y. This is the equation. In that equation, let me choose the value of y first. Suppose I am choosing 0 as a y. Okay, first I am choosing 0. So 0 multiplied by any number, so it gives the result 0. Next I am choosing here, suppose I am choosing here 1. So 4 1 cha, it will be 4. So for the value of y1, we are gaining the value of x is 4 1 cha 4. Let me choose the subject. Let me take the value of x, y. Y is 2 here. Suppose I am choosing 2 here, then 4 2 cha, of course it will be 4. Now let's take one negative value also, okay? So if I choose one negative value, suppose I am moving with -2. I am choosing -2, then 4 2 cha 8, and here because of this minus, it will be -8. Okay, so let's.
Four solutions of linear equation are 0, 0, minus 8, minus 2, 8, 2, and 4, 1. Student, here question number 3 is on your screen. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. For that we are given 5 different values. They are 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, under root 2, 4 under root 2, and 1, 1. Let's try to substitute this value in the given. So we are given the first value 0, 2. We know that x, y is we can represent coordinate through that. So if we compare, we will have the value of x equal to 0 and the value of y equal to 2. Now substituting this value of x and y in the given equation. So what is our given equation? Equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. Now in that equation, if we put the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 2, then we will have the answer is 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. But dear student, in the equation the value is 4. So minus 4 not equal to 4. So dear student, we can say that 0, 2 is not a solution of the given equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Reason behind that, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now second we are given 2, 0. So let's compare with x, y. So the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y will be 0. Now let's substitute this value of x and y in the given equation. The equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. So what do we have? X minus 2y equal to 4. In place of x substitute 2 and in place of y substitute 0. So 2 into 0, 0, 2 minus 0 gives the result 2 left side and right side is already 4. Is it equal to? No. They are not equal to, because 2 not equal to 4. So dear student, 2 comma 0 is not a solution of the given equation. Clear to you? Now, the solution of third part is on your screen, dear student. We are given 4 comma 0. Let's compare it with x comma y. So x will be 4 and the value of y is 0. Let's substitute this value of x and y in the given equation. What is the equation? Equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. Now, if we substitute the value of x and y in that, what do we have? In place of x 4, in place of y 0. Dear student, we know 2 into 0 is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4 at the left side. What about right side? Right side is also 4. So in that case, here you can see 4 equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. That's why 4 comma 0 is the solution of the given equation. So the question number 3, it's the fourth is on your screen, dear student. We are given under root 2 comma 4 comma root 2. Okay, so let's compare it with x comma y. So the value of x will be under root 2 and the value of y will be 4 root 2. Clear? Now substituting this value in the given equation, x minus 2y equal to 4. So what do we have? If we put x equal to under root 2 and in place of y 4 root 2, then the product of 2 into 4 root 2 is 8 root 2. So my dear student, under root 2 minus 8 root 2 gives 7 root 2. And here RHS side we are having 4. So LHS not equal to RHS, because in LHS we are gaining minus 7 root 2. And at RHS we are having 4. So LHS not equal to RHS. That's why the given under root 2 and 4 comma root 2 is not a solution of the given equation. My dear student, here fifth is 1 comma 1. So let's compare it with x comma y. So the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to also 1. Now substituting the value of x and y in the given equation, x minus 2y equal to 4. So what do we have? In place of x 1, in place of y is also 1. So 2 1 ja 2. 1 minus 2 gives the result minus 1 to the left side. What about right side? It is already 4. Is minus 1 equal to 4? No, minus 1 not equal to 4. That's why LHS not equal to RHS. So dear student, what it indicate? It indicate that 1 comma 1 is not a solution of the given equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Clear? Now question number 4 is on your screen, dear student. The question is, find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. So my dear student, here the value of k we want to find, that is unknown variable, and we are given the value of x and y. So first of all, we are going to substitute the value of x and y in the given equation. Let's see the solution. We are given the equation is 2x plus 3y equal to k. So according to the question, the value of x is 2 and the value of y equal to 1. Now let's substitute this value in the given equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. So what do we have? 2. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, that is equal to k. 2 2 ja 4 plus 3, that is 7 to the left side. So the value of k is 7. So dear student, the value of k is 7 for x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Clear?